12:15 p.m. on this Monday afternoon. A little goofball out here playing. Oh my, this is something else, people. Oh wow, we are talking gusts of 50 plus miles per hour. He's going after a leaf. Yeah, I came up here to distribute some more water and food, and because of the wind gusts, I've had to actually move locations and pile of fast food here that I've just kind of just tossed to the side because there was too much snow on top of it, and there was a cat that was actually munching on this until the wind got blowing hardcore. Muggsy, why don't you go take shelter, buddy? Why don't you go take shelter? Can you believe it? I mean, we are at 27 degrees Fahrenheit. And like I said, with 50 plus mile an hour wind gusts. Yeah. Pretty rough out here. But you can see how and even this is getting covered up already. And we're still getting snowfall and a lot of blowing snow, as you see. I guess the roads are quite treacherous out there because of blowing snow and whatnot. But yeah, this is basically the first that we've actually had the greater light peering through today, and not really much at that. I am like freezing up really quick. I think Muggsy finally had enough and is taking shelter. Getting warm with the other ones. And so anyways, snowfall is supposed to continue until about 7 o'clock tonight. As far as these wind gusts, I'm not sure where we're at with that. Pretty wicked out here. Pretty wicked. And yeah, I did bring out some seed and peanuts for the birds. As I came out here, I had some juncos that took notice, and they came up, but once we got hit by that major blast that I just recorded, they've departed. It looks like they might be making their way back up now as I speak. And blue jays are coming in, but I did not put any. Yeah, there they are up here. I did not put any in the tree. So yeah, they're gonna have to go down ground level here and grab and go. And that's what they are doing. Yeah, it doesn't take long. I mean, my presence is well acquainted with the handouts now. We got sparrows up here. Maybe I should have brought out just that much more seed, but I figured, well, more likely it's going to get covered up really quick. But yeah, sparrows are coming up, and the juncos. with this kind of weather, you know, every little bit helps out as far as I'm concerned. You're okay, guys. Come on. Yeah, moved over a little bit and kind of spooked them. My hand is freezing up really quick. Yeah. Got us some happy campers. And of course I'll be back out here in a few hours. So, alright, I'm going to go ahead and head in. And I got the previous video is on standby until I can get back in and plugged in. Get the uploading process kicking off. Ooh-wee. Man, this is just wicked weather. Good God. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. Got the Blue Jays a talking now. So anyways, we've seen enough, right? Okay, I'm headed in. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great one. Maybe I'll do another recording later when I come back out here.